Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm planning to go on a walk in the city of Frankfurt. It's spring right now and I'm expecting to see a lot of flowers and a lot of greenery too. So right now I'm in this area called Eschesheim. It's got a very rich neighborhood, very big houses, bungalows with beautiful gardens and flowering trees everywhere.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in.
So right now I'm going to this place called Zeil. It's like the main shopping street in the center of the city of Frankfurt.
Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
It's a very happening day in Konstablerwache right now. Here we have the weekend market going on. Let's also have a look at what the weekend market has got.
Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird.
I just ordered the Kartoffelpuffer with apple wine. This is the perfect Frankfurter dish. And welcome to Frankfurt.
Wing. Golden.
Yes, I just said apple wine. So basically apple wine is apple wine, and here in Frankfurt we drink a lot of wine made of apples. Right now I'm in Bornheim. It's more happening. There's a lot of young crowd. There are so many places where people meet up and catch up. We were living here before, right across the street. There are so many beautiful restaurants, boutiques. Let's take a look around. Bornheim's favorite Vietnamese restaurant. It's called Komai. So I've been boasting about this dish since the time I had it. I'm suggesting Funny that he has this food, and finally here it is. He's totally enjoying the food. So finally, after a lot of roaming, we are heading back to our house in the metro. So yeah, I'm finally home, and this is my home for the next 2 months. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys like it. See ya, bye.